Hey guys, how are you? I am here with, I think is my Colourpop Mystery Box, and everybody else's not only came on time. I kept getting emails that it was saying it was sent out, it was sending out, and then it would be like, I'm sorry, it's going to be sent out. And then oddly, it came in a regular box and separate from the order that I had ordered. So I know that everybody else's came, let me not do that. I know that everybody else's came with like actual question marks around that I saw and like a cute box. Mine did not. And I'm just going to open it up because the top of it still has my address and information. But this is what the inside looked like. And then it's folded over. I haven't taken a look or played with anything yet. So I'm just going to start reaching in and grabbing things out one thing at a time. So the first thing that I notice is a medium fluff brush. Let's take it out and see what it's like. I do actually have a whole box of Colourpop brushes. Not box, I'm sorry. Like a pouch, like a fold over pouch, makeup to travel with of Colourpop brushes. So I'm sure I have one of these, but it's just a gold brush with like a pink to white ombre, and it's a fluff brush. I could see you using it for probably highlighting at best, but really you could use it for powdering under the eye or highlighting the rest of the face. You could honestly really use it for your contour as well if you wanted a really like small defined type of brush. So yeah, that's nice to get in there. The next thing I see is the Soul Body Shimmer Dry Oil in Sangria. And I'd actually looked at this because I think it's kind of cool that I think it looks like maroon-ish. Yeah, the glitter is really pretty. Oh, let me turn it this way so you can see. Really pretty glitter. It's more of like a copper, like a penny copper style, and I have Navla like this color, and then I have another one of the I'm sorry. I have another one of these in a gold as well. So that is fun. I'm excited about that. Actually, let's try it. Let's see what it looks like. So I'm just going to put it right here. Oh, oh. Oh, it's pretty. Okay, so when it goes on, it really doesn't have any red to it. I mean, except for it looks like it does somehow in the camera, but I don't see that here. That's really weird. But it has this really pretty shine. This one's more sparkly, I'd say, than the other one. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, you guys can see the sparkles. This one's a little bit more sparkly than the other one that I have. The other one that I have, I feel like is a finer sparkle, where this one's kind of bigger. Little flicks of sparkle, but still it's really pretty. I'm gonna wipe the rest of it on me since it's all over now. I do like it though. It's really pretty. I could see myself wearing this, but definitely like more large sparkles than every other one that I have. So this is a single pressed glitter in Sweet and Sour. Let's take it out and look at it. I'm not going to fully take it out because I don't have a pan to put it in, but this is what it looks like right here. I would say it's kind of got red glitter and gold glitter with like a silvery base to it. That's interesting. I'm not really into pressed glitter right now. I just never actually have really been in the pressed glitter. It's not that I dislike it, it's just I don't tend to play with it as much, and I don't really have anywhere that I want to wear like a pressed glitter to, I guess you could say. So the next thing I have is a So Juicy Plumping gloss, and this is in Partly Rowdy. Cute name. Oh, cute. Okay, so it's like a champagne one, a little bit pink champagne. I like that. I could definitely use that. Everything I see in here so far, I would definitely use. Okay, so this is a watermelon face milk, and I actually got the pineapple one, and I could see myself buying that again. Absolutely. This is for balancing moisture barrier. So this one Let's see what it says. It says watermelon seed oil known to help restore moisture and also balance skin. Cucumber water to support healthy, hydrated skin. And aloe known to replenish, hydrate, and soften. So I love that because I have dry skin, almost like they knew. The next thing I see is, it says, put me on your lips. It looks like a lip color in Sassy. Ooh, pretty. Yes, it's a lipstick in Sassy. And this is from the Wild Things collection. And I actually do own that collection. And this is a really pretty brown. I could see myself wearing this come fall. That is exciting. And I've heard great things about their lippies. I think I received once a long time ago in one of my Ipsies, I think it was. And definitely happy to get another one. This is the lip pencil in Field Day. Hopefully some type of brown would be kind of cool because it would go. And it is. Wow, it's like literally the exact same color. Awesome. Oh yeah, wow. They did that perfectly. I don't know if that was planned because I saw a lot of people not get matching ones, but I'm very happy I did. That's awesome because it's a pretty liner in general. Okay, so I did get this is funny, my cousin and I were just talking about this, my baby. A Colourpop Animal Crossing 5-star island, and this is a mini palette. Let's see what she looks like. So it has some pressed glitters. It has a pretty maroon shimmer with different colors right there in this bottom corner right here. Oh, I'm sorry. It has a pink up here and a gold, like banana-y gold right here. Now, what I will probably do with this is not swatch it. And I'm sorry, I know you guys like swatches, but I think I'm going to give it to my niece because she's a big Animal Crossing fan and she really was talking about wanting these. So I think I'm going to leave that for her. I have more than enough, you know, makeup, and although I don't have this exact palette, I'm sure I could find colors just like it in something else I have and it would make her happy. So I think I'm going to keep that for her. I got a cream gel liner in Jubilee. It looks like it might be a red, which is interesting. It has cherries on it. I just have to assume. Oh, wow. Okay, I saw the Boots one. This is a really bright pink. That's her right there. Wow. I don't know when I will do a look with this, but interesting. Is this gel liner for the lips or eyeliner? The BFFs are usually eyeliner, right? It doesn't say anywhere here. Let me know down below if you know. It just says a cream gel liner and nowhere does it say eyeliner, so I want to say maybe it's a lip liner, but the other ones say lip pencil. Or maybe they're interchangeable. Can you use them for either? Never thought about that. You might be able to use them for either. So this is I just got this, which is funny. I literally just got this mascara and in the same color when I should have got the black. That's funny. So I ended up getting a brown mascara and all natural defining mascara, and I actually got it in brown because when I was checking out you were able to get a mascara as well, and I chose brown because I was like, oh, I don't have a brown mascara. Literally just got the same exact one, so that might be up on my Macari. And then it looks like I have two Super Shock Cheek and Blush. Wait. One says Super Shock Cheek, right? And the other one says Super Shock Blush. And they're both from the same collection. They're both blushes, right? If one says cheek and the other one says blush. Okay, so they both do say blush. Okay. It's weird. They I mean, I know that they're not the same color, but like they're very much almost the same color, and they're from the same. This one is called Brute Fruit. No, wait, I did. All right, maybe I'm missing something, guys, but do this with me real quick. Okay. So look at both of the backs of these, right? Oh, let me do this. That'll be better. Okay. So the same thing, same exact thing. I'm like, remember how I was like, the color's the same and they look the same. I just think that they changed up the outer, because like, look at the colors. So I think they accidentally sent me two of the exact same colors, considering the name on the back of them is exactly the same. I think they might have just changed like the outer packaging. And I got like a very maroon based box. I'm gonna take them out for sure, like, to be clear, 100%. I think I just got one with like different outer. Oh no, they're literally exactly the same. I got two of the exact same ones. No doubt about it. Well, that's weird, but alright. Weird flex, but okay. But it's a pretty color, so I guess it's a blush, and it's pretty. So maybe I'll sell one and keep the other. That stinks, though. But yeah, I would say for $49, it isn't. When I was watching everybody else open, like the $29 was and the $89 was, I wouldn't say it's like the $49 one was the best value. It's definitely not bad, you know what I mean? If you were to individually break each thing down at full price, it would be well worth it. But the issue with Colourpop is that they do so many different sales, and there's always a sale going on, and you can pretty much always get this stuff at a reduced price. So I would say, like, with that being said, I know that you could go on and like, most of the stuff was on sale during the time that the mystery boxes were out. So the $89 box one and the $29 box one, I would say, were better. They were better in price value and like the stuff that you got inside of them. I was like very shocked that as many palettes as Colourpop has, and they didn't really give any of their large palettes out. So that was very interesting to me. But like I said, with that being said, like, it's still a good value regardless of how you look at it. Colourpop's, you know, quality makeup, and even though it's, you know, great on your budget, it's still really good makeup. So I don't know, I'm happy with it. I could see myself using almost everything in there. The one palette I'm gonna give to my niece, but I could still even see myself using 3 of those colors. So yeah, it was a win for me. Let me know, did you guys get the box? Would you guys get the box if it comes out again? Do you think it's worth it? And if you got your box and you did get the box, let me know which ones you got and which one you think you liked best if you watch the videos as well. So I will be back. I've got another video up either coming up next or it went up before this one, where I let you guys know, like, there's a lot going on in my life right now, and I'll be excited when I can finally talk about it, because it's going to come with a lot of healing for me. And then on top of it, just things that need to be said to help save other women out there from going through the same, more men from going through the same thing. And I'll be excited when I can finally talk about that. Then there's other exciting news in my life that I want to talk to you guys about that as well. So sit down and get ready with me is so necessary. It's just that I have not had the time, and I'm hoping to have the time right after this weekend, having a few days and being able to sit and make some new looks with, show you guys what I got for my birthday, and make some new looks with some new palettes that I think you guys are gonna like. But I will see you very soon, guys. Thanks for hanging in with me. Thanks for, you know, being a real one and just sticking around, because I'm trying to figure out how to do what I want, as I talk about in many videos. Like, I just want to make a difference for the better of mental health, not just on the outside and talking about beauty boxes, but on the inside and healing some things and working on our self-love and mental health. So yeah, stick with me, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment, help me get my engagement up again, and I will see you on the next one, guys. I love you so much. Be safe out there. Again, see you on the next time.